right, so, we're all stuck with them. Dallas roads,
Oh, yeah.
and, we always hear about how dangerous they are.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to know, what is the city doing about it?
Yeah.
Well, this deep dive, we're taking a look at this article about Dallas's Vision Zero plan.
Okay.
And, right off the bat, there's a statistic in here that just kind of blew my mind.
Mm-hmm.
7% of Dallas roads account for 62% of serious crashes.
Oh,
I know, right?
it's a lot.
That's wild.
Yeah.
So Vision Zero, the city's plan,
Right.
eliminate traffic deaths
Right.
by 2030.
Ambitious.
Very ambitious, yeah. What do you think?
Well, it's definitely a fundamental shift in the way we think about, road safety.
Yeah.
And, we're not alone. I mean, other cities are trying this too, right? Like Austin, Houston, San Antonio,
That's right.
all adopting Vision Zero.
Okay.
It's a big movement.
So it's not just like, Dallas trying to be special or something.
No. This is like, it's a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Okay.
The article lists some of the deadliest roads in Dallas.
Right?
Top 3, we've got Great Trinity Forest, Jim Miller Road to US 175,
Mm-hmm.
Buckner Boulevard, Lake June Road to Great Trinity Forest,
Yeah.
and Northwest Highway, Walton Walker Boulevard to Harry Hines Boulevard.
Ah.
I mean, I know about you, but...
I've driven on a couple of those.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I have too.
Yeah.
So why are these so bad? I mean, what is it about these particular stretches of road?
Well, the article talks about, several things, multiple lanes, speed transitions,
Yeah.
You're going really fast, then all of a sudden it drops down,
Right.
bad lighting.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely an issue in some of those areas.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, well, let's talk solutions.
Yeah.
What can we do about this?
Well, the article mentions a few things.
Yeah.
Lowering speed limits,
Sure.
narrowing the roadways,
Okay.
more enforcement,
Yeah, I was going to say,
more police presence.
more tickets. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I could see how that would be, controversial
Yeah, sure.
for some folks.
People like to go fast.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the research is there. It works.
Right. So this idea of a cultural shift, it's not just about the physical changes to the roads. It's about how we think about driving.
Yeah, it's about, moving away from prioritizing traffic flow.
Yeah.
Above all else.
Right.
We need to design roads that are inherently safer,
Right.
even if it means slowing down a little bit.
That's interesting because I think that's a fundamental shift.
Yeah.
And I don't know how easy that is to make.
Right.
I mean, people, they want to get where they're going.
Yeah.
They don't want to be stuck in traffic.
Yeah.
Right. So how do we get people to buy into that?
Well, I think it's about, helping them understand why these changes are important.
Yeah.
Right. And how they ultimately benefit everyone.
So, I guess for all of you listening out there,
Yeah.
think about these roads that we've talked about.
Mm-hmm.
Do you drive on any of them?
Yeah.
Think about your own driving habits. Could you be doing something different?
Right.
Even a small change, it can make a big difference.
Absolutely.
And that's it for this Deep Dive. Thanks for listening.
Thanks.
And stay safe out there on those Dallas roads.
For sure.